like a light. I guess somebody took it. All right. Am I waiting for you, Frank, or are you coming?
I'm just gonna land. I'm done.
You done already?
Yeah, I'm
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps.
Do a madman takeoff on this one. Full landing
That's
flaps.
a good thing that gear broke because this was all loose too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The little ring around the bottom?
I was like fighting every time I take off.
It was turning?
Counter steer. It was weird.
Because it's loose, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Oh, she did it again?
No, I just hadn't initialized it.
Okay.
I never done
What? You gonna do it today? Yeah. I'm gonna do a madman takeoff.
China cleared.
Yeah. Pretty much gonna do a loop and then come back around. That's the Frankie laugh.
Yeah, this battery is not up to the top.
I noticed that. I heard a little weird wiggle. Oh wait, no, it's too slow. What the heck?
What happened?
It's not doing the spin. Oh, I must have lost the aileron servo. Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I did. Lost the aileron servo. Yep, I did. I'm coming in. Because it wouldn't snap. I'm like, that's not right.
Gear down.
What the hell was that? Or did it come unplugged? Or, I mean, that's just weird. I lost a elevator servo a couple weeks ago. Yep, the right side aileron stopped. Like, why isn't it snapping? Yeah, it's dead. What's that about? Yeah, it's dead. That's weird. Oh well, I did it again. Left side elevator. I'm just going to change all the servos. Change them all out.